Hello everyone! We are keeping updating our platform, and today it is a new brand report which is dedicated to e-commerce performance. So guys, for those who have e-commerce websites, please be attentive, there are a lot of great tools inside. Let's dive deeper. So entering the website, if you've missed the recent update, which is SEO funnel, please find the link to this video just within this my new video. But right now we are entering our impact hub. There are a lot of new reports, and today I would love to show you e-commerce performance report. So we are having the total products here, the number of products crawled by Googlebot, the number of impressions products are getting, the number of clicks products are getting. So we've saved a lot of time for you. We've already preset all the needed settings to visualize the efficiency of performance by products, and this is very handy for e-commerce websites because the top priority for each e-commerce website is the efficiency of products being crawled by Googlebot, being ranked in SERP, getting impressions, getting clicks, the CTR, the positions of the products. And right now, without any specific settings manually done by you, you are having all the information by your products in just one section. So, performance by products. And here we are getting the impressions and the number of products crawled by Googlebot. We see how many of the products are crawled by Googlebot and how many impressions these products are getting. And it is very good to analyze these two criteria in parallel. So we see, for example, there was some spikes in terms of bots visits, and there were the increase of impressions, but then there were some downs here, and we see that there was the impact on the number of impressions at the end of the day. So that's very good to have at hand in parallel. Then we have the products funnel. So we are having the numeric data here, and right now from this table you can click and you will be transferred to data table with the correlating URLs, etc. So first of all, what we have here: the total number of products on a website, the number of products closed from indexation, the number of products crawled by Googlebot, not crawled by Googlebot, and we see the current period, the previous period, and the change. Then the number of products in SERP, not in SERP, the number of products in top 10, in top 3, the average position of the products, and the number of products getting traffic. This is the main criteria we are all targeting to. And for example, we would like to look at the products getting organic traffic. So you just click on it and you are getting this filtered list of product URLs which are getting organic traffic, and these are your most effective products right now. You are capable to analyze any criteria here, to add as much information as you want. You all remember that there are a lot of columns which are available for you to add to your analysis. You can join data sets and add any additional information, trying to understand why these exact products are so effective and what you have to change at those which are not effective yet. So going back to our report, and this is not it yet. So we are having a very detailed table which is the efficiency of your products by categories, in stock, and by brands. So here you are getting all the information in details by categories. So we have such a category, and you click and you can get subcategories. There are situations when there are subcategories and subcategories and subcategories, and it all depends on your site structure. And as many layers there are, we will visualize all of them for you here, and you will be able to analyze how many of the products, how many of products there are in this category, subcategory, wherever, how many of them are crawled by Googlebot, how many of them are in SERP, how many of them are in top 10, in top 3, how many of them are getting impressions, how many of them are getting clicks, what is the average position within this category or subcategory, and the CTR. And we also highlight the dynamics compared to the previous period of time. And it is very handy to get information on the most effective categories up to now. So with a big number of products and a big number of impressions, this is the impressions and this is the clicks, or to get, for example, the categories with a lot of products but not yet a lot of clicks, not yet a lot of impressions. Or other way, this category has normal number of products and you see the number of impressions and the number of clicks is very good. One more such category, a lot of impressions and number of clicks here, and this is all gathered in one place for you to be able to work with your categories of products in detail. So it just saves so much time for you. Usually you don't actually gather this information on a regular basis, and actually this is the main information you have to work with, because this is your selling pages. So you are selling products online. That's why, of course, the top priority for you, all those products you want to bring you traffic, so to get them visited by Googlebot, to get them ranked, and to start bringing you organic traffic. So this is your main information, and right now it will be always at hand. And again, look here, how many impressions are here, and not a lot of products there. So this is interesting insights. And this information is all at your work right now on a regular basis, always fresh. Again, I remind you that when there are subcategories, you are capable to decompose that to the final level. And you see that sometimes there are a lot of clicks from a lot of layers within there. And no matter how many there are, you will visualize all of them here, and you will get all this information by these categories and subcategories. Frankly speaking, I find it absolutely outstanding, and we do hope that you will find this report really effective for you. If there is any feedback, you know where to find us.